Hello guys, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to watch the latest tech videos. As you all know, the Indian government has banned 59 Chinese apps and many people are looking for alternatives. In this video, I will show you the best alternatives for Chinese apps. Hello guys, my name is Prajwal. Welcome to my channel Technohyper. Instead of SHAREit and Xender, you can use GeoSwitch, Files by Google and Share All. Instead of Baidu Maps, we can use Google Map. Here we go, Map My India. For UC browser, your browser, APUS browser, you can use
Google Chrome, Firefox, Geo browser, Bharat browser.
Online shopping sites like Club Factory, Shein Fashion, ROMWE
Can be replaced by Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Snapdeal.
For games like Clash of Kings, you get ample of games in App Store or Play Store. You can check my previous videos even to get paid games for free. Alternatives for UC News and Newsdog
Are Google News, Daily Hunt.
Instead of WeChat, you can use WhatsApp, Telegraph, Hype. For DU battery saver, an inbuilt application is available in your phone. Alternatives for QQ Music are
Ghana Music, Jio Savan Music, Spotify.
For parallel space, you can use Clone app and many more apps are available. For video calls like Me Video Call and etc., you can use
Skype, GeoChat, Google Duo, Say Namaste, Google Meet.
Instead of video editors like Viva Video Editor, you can use
In short, KineMaster, Snapseed.
You can replace CamScanner with
Adobe Scan, Kaggle Scanner, Microsoft Office Lens, ScanIt.
Instead of screen recorders like View Screen Recorder, you can use
X Screen Recorder.
alternatives for hiding apps.
Keep Safe, Vault, File Manager.
Most important apps like TikTok, Kwai, Helo, you can use
Thriller, ShareChat, Chingari, Instagram.
Instead of Clean Master and DU Speeder, you can use
Files by Google, Cleanup.